Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is cytology the study of? Is it A. Blood, B. The structure of cells, C. Code breaking, or D. Cloud formations? The answer is B. The structure of cells.
Did you know that cytology, the study of the structure of cells, has a fascinating history? In the early 17th century, Dutch scientist Antony van Leeuwenhoek used his homemade microscopes to observe and document various types of cells for the first time. His discoveries paved the way for modern cell biology and revolutionized our understanding of life at its most fundamental level.
Question 2. What is a female alligator known as? Is it A. a leopardess, B. a soar, C. a nanny, or D. a cow? The answer is D. a cow.
Contrary to popular belief, a female alligator is not called a cow because of its size or appearance. The term actually originates from an Old English word, tsu, which means female of any large mammal. So next time you spot a female alligator, remember to refer to her as a cow.
Question 3. What is orthopterology the study of? Is it A. the biosphere and its relations to the lithosphere and atmosphere, B. male health and disease, C. grasshoppers and crickets, or D. the study and treatment of diseases of the urogenital tract? The answer is C. grasshoppers and crickets.
Orthopterology, the study of grasshoppers and crickets, may seem like a niche field, but did you know that these insects have been around for over 300 million years? That's right! They've witnessed the rise and fall of dinosaurs, survived multiple ice ages, and continue to serenade us with their unique songs. Talk about resilient rock stars of the insect world.
Question 4. What is the name of the process that is concerned with the development of the fertilized egg and the growth of the fetus? Is it A. endocrinology, B. pathology, C. radiology, or D. embryology? The answer is D. embryology.
Embryology, the fascinating field of study that explores the development of a fertilized egg into a growing fetus, holds some mind-blowing secrets. Did you know that during the first few weeks of pregnancy, an embryo develops gill-like structures similar to those found in fish? It's a remarkable reminder of our evolutionary journey.
Question 5. What is zymology the study of? Is it A. interactions among organisms and the water cycle, B. music in society, usually non-Western music, C. fermentation, or D. the Islam? The answer is C. fermentation.
Zymology, the study of fermentation, reveals a fascinating connection between ancient civilizations and our modern-day love for alcohol. Did you know that the oldest evidence of fermented beverages dates back to around 7,000 to 6,600 BCE? Cheers to our ancestors who unknowingly paved the way for happy hours and wine tastings.
Question 6. What is the heaviest element that can be formed by regular fusion reactions in the core of a star? Is it A. iron, B. nickel, C. copper, or D. gold? The answer is A. iron.
Iron, the answer to our question, holds a fascinating secret. When a star reaches the end of its life and undergoes a supernova explosion, it releases an immense amount of energy. This explosion is so powerful that it can create elements heavier than iron through a process called neutron capture. So while iron may be the heaviest element formed by regular fusion reactions in a star's core, there are even more extraordinary elements waiting to be born in the fiery aftermath of a supernova.
Question 7. Which type of tree is known for its fragrant, yellowish-green flowers? Is it A. Mimosa tree, B. Birch tree, C. Oak tree, or D. Maple tree? The answer is A. Mimosa tree.
The mimosa tree, also known as the silk tree, is famous for its fragrant, yellowish-green flowers. But here's the twist: those beautiful blooms are not actually flowers. They are clusters of stamens that mimic petals to attract pollinators. So next time you see a mimosa tree in full bloom, remember that what you're admiring are actually cleverly disguised reproductive structures.
Question 8. Which substance has the chemical formula H2SO4? Is it A. Coal, B. Sulfuric acid, C. Salt, or D. Water? The answer is B. Sulfuric acid.
Did you know that sulfuric acid is not only a powerful and corrosive substance, but it also has some surprising uses? Apart from being used in car batteries and as a laboratory reagent, it's also employed in the production of fertilizers, dyes, detergents, and even explosives. Talk about versatility.
And with that, we bid adieu to the world of science and nature. Remember, knowledge is like a supernova, it expands our minds and illuminates our path. Keep exploring. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow, stay safe and farewell for now. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.